Hi, today I'll show you how to delete your Revolut transfer history. First, open the Revolut app on your phone, log in using your passcode, Face ID, fingerprint, or login method you've set up. On the home screen, you'll see a list of your most recent transactions. If there's a payment or transfer you don't want to see there, you can hide it from this list. To do that, simply swipe left on the transaction you want to hide and tap Hide. That transaction will disappear from the recent list on your main screen. There's another way to do this as well. Tap and hold on a transaction until a small menu appears, then choose Hide from that menu. The result is the same. That item is removed from your visible recent activity on the home screen. From this same menu, you can also control how many recent transactions are shown. For example, you can change it so that only the last one transaction is visible on the main screen instead of a long list. It's important to know that you can't completely delete transactions from your Revolut account history. You can only hide them from the main screen. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.